am Vaishnavi Gupta from Standard 5. Today we are going to do an experiment drinking candle. So shall we start? Pick a candle in the center of the dish. Light the candle using a matchstick. Measure 100 ml of water using a measuring cylinder. Add a few drops of food color. Pick the glass and carefully put it over the candle upside down. See, the flame is going out as the candle drinks the water. Do you know why the water rises? Please mention your answer in the comment box. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.